good afternoon, morning, whatever it is, good time for you. So today is chiller evap and condenser cleaning. We have 4 chillers. 1, 2, 3, 4. By the way, that chiller, this guy right here, this one is only for a generator room. This is a hospital and they have their own generator. They can't take a day with no power, so they have their own generator to generate for the hospital and for those chillers. Yeah, that's amazing. And today we're doing to brush the evaporator, which is those. This is a York, train. I just want to show you guys how many volts. 4100 volts. It will melt your face. Yeah, so how we do it? This is simple. This is really simple. You drain the water, you bring this machine, you connect that hose to it. That hose has like it's like what the plumber uses. It has like a wire inside, and it spins forward and backward, and it feeds water. Let me turn on the light. Yeah, so it feeds water inside. Look how bad this thing is clogged. So the brush it look like this, and it sticks in at the front of this wire, and it feeds itself. And this is the guide to stop it from going, because you reach the end of the coil. And how you do that? First, you open that guy, and then when the brush reaches, you just put that guide, which is in the back, so you know that it reaches the end. And when you finish, of course, you open that again, you clean it. We close that because the brush has water comes out of it, so we don't want to be spraying everywhere, so we just close it. And when we finish brushing, we will open and clean everything, so it will be nice and fresh, nothing inside at all. Yeah, that's easy, simple. I think you guys got the point. It's very easy job, but it's gonna take a very long time. This is like 800 pipes, by the way, 800 tubes. Yeah, some of them are plugged. You would see like those plugs. That means either this is really clogged really bad, or it's leaking. So they plugged in like this here, this. There's 3 I saw before. There's one here. Oh, right here. 3 these. Yeah, there's like some issues, but this is how it is to clean that. And of course, unit will be off. The butterfly valve, they call them, which is up there, we close them so no water comes down, so other units continues. You don't shut the whole thing, you just shut down this unit. Yeah. All right. And this anode, this plate needs to be replaced. This guy, they replaced that. I wish if I had the old, maybe I do have the old one. This will take the static. It's like the static or the electric right there. Look at this. This guy. This is not bad. This is not really bad. Yeah, but since we are opening this, we say let's just replace them in both sides. This takes the electric charge from the water. Yes. And this is how it looks like when it should look worse, but if it's it stays for a longer time. Yeah, and you replace those. It's just a bolt. Take it off. You take that, put the new one in, and that should be it. All right. Thanks for watching. and go brush some evap chiller evaporators. Alright guys, thanks.